Now in exercise 13.1 we have question number 14, limit x tends to 0, sin ax by sin bx. We can put this function in the form sin ax by ax into ax by sin bx by bx into bx. No change. We have divided by ax and just multiplied by ax. Here we have divided by bx and just multiplied by bx. Now this x and x both cancelled. Therefore, the limit takes the shape a by b into limit ax tends to 0 sin ax by ax divided by sin limit bx tends to 0 sin bx by bx. Limit of a constant into a function is equal to that constant into limit of that function. Therefore, a by b is taken as a constant into limit x tends to 0 is the same as limit ax tends to 0, because here it is of the form sin ax by ax. Now limit x tends to 0 can be written as sin bx tends to 0 because the denominator is of the form sin bx by bx. Now a by b into, here this is of the form limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. This is equal to 1. That is the case for denominator also 1. Therefore, the answer is a by b. We have converted this in the form limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. Instead of x it is ax. In the denominator also it is ax. Limit x tends to 0 have become limit ax tends to 0. Therefore, this is of the form limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. And now question number 15. Limit x tends to pi sin pi minus x by pi into pi minus x. Now this can be put as limit x tends to pi 1 by pi into sin pi minus x by pi minus x, which is the same as 1 by pi limit x tends to pi. Therefore, pi minus x must tend to 0. X tends to pi, therefore pi minus x will be tending to 0. Pi minus x tends to 0 sin pi minus x by pi minus x. You know, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. Therefore, the answer must be 1 by pi into 1. That is equal to 1 by pi. Answer is 1 by pi. And the reasoning, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. This is of the same form. This can be treated as x tends to 0 sin x by x. Now the answer is 1 by pi into 1, that is 1 by pi itself.